Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some interesting crafts using the masks. For that you take a mask and cut it like this. Now roll it as shown in the video, fix it from the between using a thread. Now take the elastic band like this and fix it to make a bracelet and it's ready. Next we'll be making the hair bands or the hair garters using the mask like this. Take a mask and cut it like this and join two of them together. Now fold it using the double-sided tee. Now take the elastic band like this and fix the mask over it like this and it's ready. Next we will make a cute bag using the mask. Take a mask and roll it from the sides like this. Now fold it from the between, paste it from the sides. Now decorate it as per your choice. You can decorate it anyways. Now stick the stickers over it and it's ready. Next we will make the hand bracelets using the mask. Take a mask and cut it like this. Now take the string like this and roll it around the rubber band like this as shown in the video. Make a heart shape. Now color it using different markers as shown in the video. Now stick the elastic bands on the sides and it's ready. Next, take the mask and then make a bag like this. Take the mask and fold it from the between and paste it from the sides. Now cut it like this, remove a tissue and then decorate it using it as shown in the video. You can decorate it as per your choice. You can use anything to decorate your bags and it's ready. Next we will make the flowers. Take a mask and cut it from the sides. Now take the mask sheet and then make the frills out of it by cutting it like this, or you can cut it into big petals as shown in the video. Make few more as such. Now fold them from the between and sew them using a thread and the needle. Fix all of them together like this and paste it from the end. Now fix it as we are fixing. Take a small piece of mask and then make the frills out of it. Roll it using a stick and fix it in the between of the flower and your flowers are ready. You can make as many as much to decorate your flower vases. Thanks for watching our video.